Whenever we got done dancing, we would do like Witch in the Woods. The favorite game I play with us is Witch's Forest because you're able to find the key and escape. And when you grab the key, you have to hide it to make sure the witch doesn't find it.
Well, I like art because I can put my feelings to the art.
I get to see my friends and I get to learn new things about dance.
Instead of just drawing something, you're just making art from dancing. So it's kind of like making your own dances, like making your own art.
Good.
Feels good. What do
Yeah.
you like about it?
That you get to show off your cool dance moves and stuff.
Yeah.
Fun.
It feels fun.
You get to paint and stuff.
It feels really good and really respected. You can use a lot of teamwork to play games.
I enjoy going to have prayers with my cousins and my friends and Miss Yoshi and Miss Yari.
So I didn't actually get involved seriously in performing arts until college, but I've been a little performer my whole life. I used to do little skits with my family and sing songs and dance, but I'd never really had any formal training or any formal experience until I went to college. I think from a professional perspective, I think teaching kids has really helped me really master the craft in a lot of ways. I think being able to teach children just the basics of how to move your bodies and how to emote and how to get in touch with your feelings has allowed me to be able to break down those things and understand why and how it is I do what I do.
Well, it started off with the family parties, and I remember at every party I would just come out with a new dance, a new skit, a new performance, a whole back-to-back kind of performance for the family. So that really grew something in me, and later I started getting into the musicals at my school until high school when I graduated, and then I went to school for dance.
I always knew when I was younger that I wanted to perform and I wanted to be on stage, and it took a long time for me to actually get my first opportunity on stage. It wasn't until I was in high school that I sort of ventured out into the performing arts, and I'm so glad that I did. I had grown up singing and dancing around the house. I was in a choir at my church. Without the performing arts, I would not have the confidence in myself and the assertiveness that I have today. It made me a better communicator, and it taught me a lot about my emotions and how to process and how to express them in a healthy way, and also just fueled my passion for learning and for creating.